Hi, this is Sai Morton with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the forexpsummit.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit forexpsummit.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Today again we will take a look at the euro currency because action was really fast and we need to update and adjust our view on the euro currency because every day something new is appearing. Mostly it's become really aggressive speculations around the elections, and you know that every day somebody speaks something, some news, rumors, and so on. So as you can see, as recent public polls, public opinion publication shows that the Trump is taking the lead in the voting process, so has more support in the population. This has made the impact on an uncertainty on the financial markets, and the euro currency is not an exception. As you know that some escalation of the turmoil around the Hillary Clinton email wars, so this is really presses the market, and this makes the markets nervous, and it leads to such action as we see right now on the euro currency. So currently, as you understand, the even ADP report and non-farm payrolls will be overshadowed by this really some some rush around the elections. So what we have on the daily chart? On the daily chart, theoretically, as you can see, chance on the getting brand button still exists. So although market has reached a really significant level of the resistance, so as you can see, it almost has hit the 618 resistance at 111 area from the thrust action, and almost the 50% resistance of the whole downward action. So it's very deep retracement up. But we have the three closes about the 3x3. But here we have some moments that makes overall situation a bit more complex. For example, although we correctly predicted the possible upward continuation, but actually we have counted on this on forming some reversal pattern, and we counted on deeper retracement, but it should lead us to good possibility of taking the short position. But as you can see from the recent action, this is definitely not the case, because we see the clear rally, thrusting action on the intraday charts. This is not the suitable situation for going short. That's the first moment. Second moment, so the first issue is the thrusting actions, impulse, upward impulse, that really is not supportive for taking any short position. Second, market has moved above the weekly pivot resistance one, and it's around 1040 areas was a cluster of the resistance. This was the targets, fib level, and weekly pivot resistance one. So market has exceeded it, and it means that current upward action could become not just a retracement but something greater, because we do not know the degree of uncertainty that elections could bring on the markets, and it could happen that in the medium-term perspective the overall order that has been formed in the recent couple of months, trends that now exist, could be broken by a result of the voting. So you can see as the Trump taking the lead in the public opinion, public polls, so markets has reacted in opposite direction. So it has led to reversal on the euro currency, on the gold markets, more aggressive upward actions taken. So markets are starting to prepare to real uncertainty what will happen. So that being said, on the intraday charts, what we have on the follow time chart, nothing really special. You can see that the market has moved above the monthly pivot point. The gold line is the November pivot point. As market is moving above it. So it stands right now at some resistance, but guys, actually I'm not sure that market definitely will stop here and turn down. So it means that we need to wait for clear signs of the reversal first. We can't rely just on the existence level and take the position blindly at some resistance and hope that market will drop. This could be done, for example, if we will get such sort of action. So if action will be gradual, smooth, with a lot of pullbacks, very slow, in this case, yes, we could do so. So yesterday, actually, we have counted that this will happen. So yes, as you can see, market was forming here the butterfly. It's better to see on the hourly chart. Market was forming here the butterfly, but as you can see, butterfly has failed because market on the recent news has taken minor pause in 16618 extension, and then it's continue move higher. Recall what we said yesterday. If guys, we will have an action here, thrusting action, something of that sort, do not go short, do not take the short position. We need gradual action, but this is really fast acceleration directly right to the butterfly target or even higher. That's why when the market accelerates directly with such sort of action right to the 1618 extension, this is not reliable butterfly. Yes, market was able to show the minimal retracement, and the scalp trader probably could trade this pattern and even has made the profit, but this such sort of the patterns is not suitable for taking the short on the higher time frame. So use this pattern as the background for taking short. This is risky, since yes, this is a butterfly, but this action is not good for taking a short position, because this really definitely the thrust up, definitely impulse move, and it's really a warning sign. That's why as a result, as market has exceeded all our targets that we have specified, now we do not have any context for taking the short position. And it means that since market right now shows the action that is not really supportive for any reversal down yet, or any bearish development, because market has moved above the weekly pivot resistance, market has exceeded all targets and strong level that we would like to get, and as you can see, market right now stands almost at 111. So it means that if even we start to speak again about taking the short, we probably need to get some more clear pattern for going short. So until we will not get it, we can't speak on a possible short position. This is mostly due to the events that have happened yesterday, and how the fundamental background, political background, has changed the situation on the financial markets. On the hourly chart, guys, right now what we have is just the potential for maybe minor double repo sell, but this is definitely not the pattern that we will use for taking the short on the daily chart. But maybe some pullback here could happen to 110.50, 110.20 area, because this is the 50% support of the most recent action, and that could be this minimal target for the double repo pattern. This really could happen because market right now stands at some resistance, as you can see here in daily chart. It's also coming to some resistance, so maybe some minor retracement will happen. But currently, guys, we have to cancel our previous setup of taking short around 1040 area, mostly due to the action that we've got yesterday. And all that we need right now, all that we could do right now, is just to wait and see for clearer signs of the possible reversal, if they will come, and without them we just can't take the short, because this will be very risky, since the level of uncertainty right now is extremely high, and in such circumstances it's very dangerous to take position just on the levels. So we need the clear patterns of the reversal, clear signs of the reversal. So all that we could do right now on the euro currency, if you would like to, it's try to trade maybe this double repo if it will be formed. But this is the scalp trade, and it has no impact on the high time frames, on the strategical picture that we have on the daily chart. That's approximately what we could say right now on the euro currency.